How to install Knowledge Base widget in LiveChat. Adding Knowledge Base widget to LiveChat reduces distractions and response times. It lets you display your help docs in the chat screen, making it super snappy to search and copy answers when replying to a customer. Easy peasy installation. To start using Knowledge Base, head to the Apps Marketplace in your LiveChat admin panel. Find the Knowledge Base app and click the Install button. Once you install the app, go to any open chat and click the Knowledge Base plugin in the top right of their LiveChat. From there, everyone on your team can search and view help articles you've created, such as FAQs, best practices, and user manuals. Writing your first article. If you haven't created any articles in your Knowledge Base yet, you can do so by clicking the Create Article button inside the Knowledge Base widget. This button will take you to the Knowledge Base app, where you can start building your content. As soon as you publish your first article, the Knowledge Base in LiveChat sidebar. For more information and best practices on writing articles, see how to create your first Knowledge Base article. Tip: if your article doesn't show up in LiveChat, hit refresh button in Knowledge Base plugin to load new articles.